kind of wish I waited. I just saw that they're coming out with a height adjustable one of these, but there's still some things to this that I do think are pros over that. But just saving you some time, being straight up, I do feel like you should just wait for the adjustable one, and I might get that in the future anyway. But I'll run through some of the things that I do and do not like about it so you can make your own decision. So if you watched my last video, the reason why I got this is because I wanted to be able to store these guys somewhere. I did not like not having a place for them, especially when I upgrade my weights, there won't be a place for them. So I do like that this has a place to be able to put my weights. Again, the height adjustable one will have that, which I didn't see on their first one, so bummer. I do like that it has storage on the bottom, but again, you know, I'm putting a little extra weights that we have hanging around here, but frankly, I just don't see myself using it that much, but it's nice for a little bit of extra storage. The pegboard design on the side here is nice, so you can hang things in there, but to be honest with you, it's kind of a short cart. You're not really gonna be putting big, long things on this, so I still hang my bands up over there. I don't really know. I know there's a few things you can hang on this, and maybe you would, but I don't know if you really would all that often. It is nice to have the feature, but it's not super usable in my opinion. Speaking of the size, it's ironic because I do feel like the cart could be smaller itself. I feel like there's just a lot of wasted space right here. It'd be nice if it was just a little more compact. Again, it's nice because you get more storage down low, but that's the trade-off of losing a little more real estate. One thing that's nice, they did provide us with a rubber little sticker right here, so it kind of helps with your knees when you're stepping in. But with that, I really do wish that this was like twice the depth that it actually is. The adjustable one has a much bigger V or inlet, so I do kind of wish this had a bigger one. This is definitely better than not having one. I'm happy it's here, but I do wish, again, maybe instead of it being shorter here, pushing this all over, making it a little bit wider and a little deeper. Overall though, quality is nice. It's got rubber on the top here, rubber on the bottom here. The wheels are really, really solid. They roll around really easily. They lock in. When they lock in, they're really solid. I do like it. I'm 6'1". I think it's a little short for my liking, but it's probably a pretty good middle ground. Take it for what it's worth. If I'm being honest, I would just wait for the adjustable one because it's cheaper and it will likely be able to have wheels added onto it. Unless you're really wanting a cart with extra storage, and then obviously this is a great option. It's a great build. I'm not upset with it overall. I just don't like getting something and then realizing, oops, there's a better thing out there that's even cheaper that'll be better. Take it for what it's worth. I would wait for that. Again, if you want a cart, get this, it's awesome. But if you haven't seen my review of the Rep X Pépins, click right here and you can see the video there. If not, stay tuned. I'm gonna be releasing some of my back pain videos here pretty soon, as I promised like forever ago. So YouTube's, it's hard to be consistent, but I'm trying to be faster. All right guys, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you for the next one.